Hello everyone! Today we will be making homemade hash browns. For this recipe we will need potatoes, onion, garlic, egg, salt, pepper, vegetable oil and flour.
On a small cheese grater, we will need to grate 1 kilogram of pre-peeled and dried potatoes.
Put the potatoes into a sieve and leave to drain in a bowl. In this time using a blender or small cheese grater. Grate 1 large onion, about 200 grams, and 2 to 3 big cloves of garlic.
The exact amount of ingredients, the links to other videos, and our social media can be found in the info box below.
Next, pour the potato juice out, and into this bowl put the other ingredients.
These ingredients are shredded potatoes, shredded onion, and shredded garlic. You will also need 1 teaspoon of salt, maybe more if you would like, and pepper based on your taste.
Now mix well and add in 1 large egg or 2 small eggs, and about 1 cup of flour. Mix the batter thoroughly and now your dough is ready.
While you are making the dough, you will need to preheat the frying pan to a heat just below medium.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you to all of the people who like and comment.
Onto a warmed up skillet, put a little bit of vegetable oil.
I put 1 tablespoon of dough onto the frying pan. Shape the dough into an oval and cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes. On the lowest heat and with the lid closed, I cook each side 2 times.
If you like deep fried food, then you can cook these hash browns in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, or even in a deep fry. As my family doesn't like very deep fried food, then we chose a healthier version and don't use so much oil.
I serve these homemade hash browns with plain yogurt or sour cream. This is very delicious.
You can cook these hash browns for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Cook them and make your friends and family happy with your cooking.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.